of things, a lot of fuck ups which happen because you're in a place for a very long time, and the psychology that you have at that time. And
Hmm.
like the episode that me and Rohan have done together, I would talk about that. It's centered around jobs. So
Okay.
jobs have been a very big issue
Hmm.
during this quarantine time. Some
Yeah.
people are losing the job and others are getting jobs, and
Right.
it's
Right.
such a confusion.
Right.
There is a company where 41 people are fired. My
Oh
uncle,
God.
like he's fired. And just imagine his situation. So if a person
Hmm.
like him who has just been fired because they can't pay their employees in a
Hmm.
quarantine time, if he watches something like this, what we have
Yeah.
created,
Hmm.
then he would really enjoy it. So I think the
Yeah.
whole point and purpose is to minimize the pressure that people are going through right now, and to
Right.
present it everything, the concepts
Hmm.
that are going through in quarantine time a little lighter, and just to laugh about it, whatever is
Yes.
happening right now.
Right. True.
That's it. And if you want
What
to know
about you?
more about it, then just watch it.
Yeah. Sure. What about you, Rohan?
Yeah, I think Samriddhi summed it up pretty well. I'll just add to that. So for me, the entire project in itself,
Hmm.
it connects to me on multiple levels. Firstly, in terms of as an entertainment industry and as content creators, it's a big
Hmm.
challenge because we're all used to collaborating. It's a very collaborative art. It cannot happen individually. There's a director, there's
Yes,
a team,
absolutely.
and content creation itself is a very teamwork. So to find an alternative to that, firstly, to be able
Yeah.
to create content even when there is a lockdown and the art of it still continues. So firstly, on that level, it just resonated to me as an actor. And
Hmm.
then in terms of the concept of it, the that we are, sorry, yeah, the topic that
Yeah.
we're talking about,
Hmm.
to me, I remember when, because this entire online dating thing is happening, and I read some meme,
Hmm.
it very nicely said that dating in quarantine in lockdown is like one of those things. धमाल फिल्म में विजय राज कहते हैं वो लाल बटन दिख रहा है, हाँ दबा दिया, अरे नहीं दबाना था,
नहीं
Nahi
दबाना था.
दबाना
it's
था.
like one,
True.
नहीं दबाना था,
Absolutely
it's like
true.
it's like one
Absolutely
of those,
true.
वो टिंडर वाला है कि वो
हाँ.
ऑनलाइन ऐप पता है, हाँ हाँ चला लिया,
हाँ.
अरे नहीं चलाना था.
नहीं चढ़ाना.
तो तो
Yeah, I
वैसा सा कुछ
completely
है.
agree.
And yeah, and all of us, so many friends I know have broken up. So many friends I know are online suddenly on Bumble and
Hmm.
things they would never be on.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
just,
Yes.
and that displacement of loneliness, this
Hmm.
because it's a very testing time for everyone. And it's
Right.
not a judgment. It's not wrong to be on a anything that you need for yourself to keep going. It's all right. So if
Right.
a dating app can be used as a platform for communication, for human communication, for genuine sharing, it's really good. There is nothing wrong in it. But just a very light note, a very light take on how things can be fun and how there can be some stories that might not be so good, but it can be funny for people outside.
Yeah.
So that entire thing, that
Hmm.
in context of that, date gone wrong is a very beautiful concept like that. It
Hmm.
doesn't demean anyone, but it also takes a very, it's like one of those good pieces of literature, right? wo jo अच्छे literature, there
Right.
is
Right.
humor and there is
Hmm.
also the truth of life, but very
Right.
nicely.
Right.
So I think it's one of those things.
Yeah. And right now it's very relatable to everyone. So that's a
Absolutely.
plus point.
Yeah,
Right.
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, were you approached for these particular roles, or did you get to choose which one you had to do?
Samriddhi?
No, I auditioned for another role,
Yeah.
and then Vinod came up with another script. So
Oh.
like I really had to initially work on that. So yeah,
Hmm.
I got, like, there is a script writer who is my friend from back from FTII. Oh, by the way,
Okay.
I just completed my graduation in acting from FTII.
Yeah.
So he's my screenplay friend
Hmm.
from there. So maybe he
Okay.
referred me to Vinod that she's my batchmate or something like that.
Hmm.
And then we contacted, and then yeah, rest is
Yeah.
history.
Yeah. Firstly, congratulations on it.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Rohan, what about you?
Yeah, so I also auditioned for another part. My friend Akshaya Naik, she's also another actress.
Hmm.
She gave my audition to Vinod, and then I think they wanted me for another part. But as Samriti said, the script kind of developed with the actors. So we were given a
Yes.
draft and we sent
Oh,
one version of it. And I think
oh,
according to how we were delivering, how we were as people, how we were interpreting it, they changed the
hmm.
script. They made it more
Oh,
snappier, the words that they thought would fit our personalities more.
Yeah.
So it was kind of
yeah.
customized, and the final version became very organic. Because by the
Okay.
time we came to the fifth, sixth draft of it, it
Hmm.
was very much in sync with how we are as people. So,
Right.
and I think that happened for all the cast members. Accordingly, they fitted everyone, make it,
Hmm.
because again, it's a very relatable, natural thing happening. There's no drama as
Yes.
such.
True.
It's an online date, so
Yeah.
they want it to be as real as possible. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Right. So, what kind of response are you expecting from the overall series?
What
I'm
kind of a
yeah.
response? I'll go first. Are you answering, Rohan?
Please go ahead. Please say. Samriti.
Uh, well, I am expecting nothing actually because right from the dawn of the day, I have always just believed in performing and then just putting it out to the audience and let them enjoy it if they want to, criticize it if they want to, and ignore it if they want to. I just want to keep working on my craft and I just want to uh, stay in line with my director. you know I think
Right.
the director is the one who sees everything and who knows everything कि
Hmm.
producer को क्या चाहिए, cinematographer को क्या चाहिए. इस situation में तो I'll explain
Hmm.
that in further future there was no
Hmm. Hmm.
cinematographer and a lot of comedy happened around that point,
Oh,
so I'll come on that.
yeah.
So I think I am not expecting anything, but I am really happy. And I keep asking this question to my director: that are you happy? Like, do you want me to do some variation? Do you want me to give
Hmm.
you, inserts? Do you want me to give this and that? So I'm a very
Hmm.
inquisitive actor, and I really sometimes overperform because
Oh.
I want to do so much when I
Hmm.
get an opportunity. So I end up doing so much in a very limited time. So yeah, I want to stay true to my director. Rest, I then once the project is completed and it reaches its culmination, then it's in the hands of the audience,
Audience.
and the response depends on them. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah, a very similar thing to that. I think for me, what I expect out of this project, I've already gotten it. I got an opportunity to perform. I got an opportunity to work on the craft in a very different manner. We don't have a co-actor. We don't have a real impulse coming in. We don't
Right.
have a director there. So it's a very imaginative space where you're imagining the co-actor also. You have the director's vision in mind. So you kind of become your own director. You're also
Yeah.
blocking in a certain way. You're adding nuances, just the way directors work. You're also kind of doing the artwork so that the background looks a little nice, all of that. So I think
Yeah.
in that way, I've gotten a lot out of this project already.
Hmm.
Now, as in terms of the project, I think Date Gone Wrong season one was a very popular season, and a lot of people
Yeah.
watched it. And then it comes from a brand like Eros, and then there
Yes.
is a lot of the quality to it anyway. So in
Hmm.
terms of that, I'm expecting to people. I'm just expecting for most people to watch it, and uh, just have the kind of fun that we had. Just relate to that,
Yeah.
the feeling that we had while making it, and that's all.
Yeah.
That's all you want as an artist, also, just to share the little thing that we had. And
True.
yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, follow up to both of your answers, how was it working at your home? Because you were your own director, you were your own, cinematographer, like you said. So, what were the advantages and disadvantages of the same?
Ah,
Samriddhi, you go
well,
first.
thank you. So with me, I you have to find the right energy of
Hmm.
the character, and only then you can be true to it.
Right.
And with me, because I had auditioned for a different script, so
Hmm.
that script came to me naturally. So I
Oh,
I am born with it. But this script, when I got it, it talked about jobs, and you have to behave very professionally. You have a corporate body,
yeah.
and I don't have it because I have never worked in a corporate job. I am an actor, like by profession. I am a well-read actor. So it became a little difficult, and especially when your brother is the cinematographer and he himself has his own job to carry, because I used to shoot at night and he is on like work from home right now. So legit, I would be giving my scene and his phone would ring. Then I would be giving my scene and somebody would knock the door. And then,
Oh.
but my brother was very cooperative. Like it was literally a job fuck up happening in real life. And I was performing it on screen because my
Screen.
brother's job was highly tinted because of what I was doing. You know, the way I was
Yeah, yeah,
shooting
yeah.
and everything. And we would wait for night so that we could cut on the sound. And हमारी गली में बहुत शोर रहता है, तो इस वजह से हमें बहुत. But you know, a huge change happened when Rohan got into picture. I'll tell you one more thing. So Rohan, मेरे भाई का नाम भी रोहन है. So this
Oh.
name Rohan has been attached with a sisterly feeling for the last 24 years. And I had to romance with a guy named Rohan, and turned out that his name, my co-actor's name, is also Rohan.
Yeah.
So like this name played such a huge role, like how the and the moment I listened to Rohan's voice, like my co-actor, his voice is so nice and he was so charming, and I was like, yeah, if it was a real setup, and if this guy would have, like, if I would have got an opportunity to date this guy, it would have been really nice. And then the moment I
ये
heard
तो नहीं
him,
बताया तूने
and
कभी.
he हाँ क्या.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ये तो नहीं बताया तूने कभी. मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
So, you know, that changed the scenario. And the moment I got on a call with him, I knew all my dialogues. I was not fumbling. And I gave a take in one go. Like,
Oh,
obviously, there
wow.
were other
Few.
things.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I got the energy of the character. I got everything. And then I realized the very importance of the crew and to get together and you know, execute something, the importance of
Mm.
the chemistry of your co-actor just by voice. You know, he could give me what I wanted, what I needed to perform. So I was just
Right.
imagining if he was actually in front of me, how we would have performed and everything. But he was very cooperative. He would be on phone giving me his cues, and I would be taking my dialogues, imagining him in front of me because I saw his picture and I was like, yeah, this guy I can date definitely. So yeah, this is how it developed from a sisterly love to a romantic side. Like it was a proper
Yeah.
progression for me.
Right. What about you, Rohan?
Yeah, so very similar. Yeah, I think all actors have the same problems and the same approaches. For me, also, the director's validation is very important because everything else is abstract for you as an actor. Everything else, you are coming from your own experience. You're imagining things that you think will fit the character, but ultimately, it has to be validated. It has to fit
Right.
into some vision. So, for the first 2, 3 times, I didn't know if this is the right note, if this is what he wants, and so that took a little time for us. For after 2, 3 times, Karan gave us a feedback, and then
Yeah.
I was kind of on the right track. And then again, then Samriddhi came into the picture, and that's when we discussed, and then we went through a rehearsal. When the script was in, everything was final, and we went through a rehearsal. We did our dialogues. We kind of made our characters and discussed our characters. We also kind of
Mm.
discussed what is the situation that they are in, and that is when we kind of had a holistic interpretation. We were on the same page, and then I woke up Samriddhi from her sleep. She was sweet enough to wake up and give me my cues, and so then we
Yeah.
did the scene like that. And she was almost in her ऐसे नींद में उठी है,
Huh.
रुक जा 2 मिनट बात करूंगी, अभी तो नहीं दे पाऊंगी मैं क्यों, मैं खाली ले लेती हूँ. तो हमने पहला डायलॉग ट्राई भी किया. मैंने कहा सुन ऐसे तो
नहीं नहीं
होगा.
होगा.
So
True.
then she woke up, she came in with the entire energy. And again, that's what, when you have the actor, when you have the impulse coming in, then you don't have to
Hmm.
act. Then it's really
Right.
just reacting to it and then just going with the flow. So then it became
Right.
very organic. We both were in sync, and then I think the first or the second take was what Karan wanted. And
Hmm.
yeah, also while the process itself was very funny because because I live with an actor also.
Oh.
So he has a very bassy baritone voice. Like he looks very manly, actually. He has a very baritone voice, and he was giving me cues for this girl, and then and he's trying to act all girly and trying to act. So I couldn't stop laughing. So for the
Same
first
happened with
7, 8
me.
takes,
Like my brother has such a high pitch. I was like, I am romancing with my brother. God.
yeah. So I had to really get a hold of and ignore his baritone. So there was multiple. Firstly, I had to ignore his baritone, then create a female voice, then imagine a female, and then not
Yeah.
look at his face. It was a lot of work happening for me. So I
Yeah.
think it was much smoother when Samriddhi came into the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this was a fun process
We were
also,
actually
I
each
think.
other's saviors, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. At that point when we discussed, and मैं कब से बोल रहा था विनोद सर को कि सर वो एक्ट्रेस का कुछ मतलब अगर आप नंबर दे दो ऐसे
Same
अभी
here.
अभी
मैंने तो
just we
करण
were,
को भी बोला था.
but I think yeah we were still working on the script. They were still looking at what we can bring in. That's why I think they
Yeah.
didn't. But
Hmm.
it's nice that they didn't actually, because otherwise we would have fixed a lot of things much earlier before exploring. We would have just
Yeah,
kind of
maybe.
gone ahead
Yeah.
with it.
So
I
this was
disagrey. I wouldn't have got to romance my brother Rohan. It would have been really nice if I would have started romancing you in the first place. You know, the similarity of the names.
Well, this you could use for
right.
another character, romancing your brother. Sorry.
No,
No.
let's not go
No.
there. No, no.
Yeah.
So are there any other projects you are working on currently from home only?
I am working on a project with Atul Kumar. He's a theatre director. He's plays like Pia Behrupia and a lot of other plays. So we are currently working on a virtual theatre project based on the play Mountain Language by Harold Pinter. And the idea is to use audiovisual art, video art, use poetry, literature, live interaction, things like platforms like these, Zoom, live
Yeah.
performances, and make a mix of that and represent this reality that we are all sharing, the lockdown reality.
Hmm.
So a place that includes the world of mountain language, which is based on oppression and how a language is banned, speaks a
Oh.
lot about whatever situation we are in,
Hmm.
and that plus the the virtual reality that we are all right now grappling with.
Yeah.
So that is something that I'm working on.
That is really great. That is great. So Samriddhi, what about you? You're working on anything else?
Well, no, I am not working on anything physically, but I am developing a web series with my best friend who is a screenplay writer.
Oh.
And apart from that, I'm trying to write a novel and a play, but I'm more focused more towards the web series and the play that I'm developing.
Hmm.
Whenever this comes, this goes down and I can go executing it. And apart from that, the next month I have the completion shoot of my film that I already was shooting. It's
Okay.
a feature film called Colors: A Dream of a
Oh.
Colorblind. Unluckily, this film was supposed to travel to Norway, Oslo, and Kazakhstan, Almaty, and both got
Oh.
shut this year. And the
Oh.
shoot was delayed, and everything had gone for a halt. So we are aiming to complete the shoot next month. So we are actually
Hmm.
prepping up for it right now. So
Okay.
I am working on that character simultaneously. So it's a
Oh.
lot of things going on all together. So
Yeah.
yeah,
But now you have time to work on it, so that's nice.
yes,
That
absolutely.
I
I
want
have
to add actually.
time.
Sorry. Right. Did I
No, no,
interrupt?
please go ahead.
To that I wanted to add this time that we as artists have gotten. I think this
Hmm.
this has something really. I know we come from a place of privilege and we can say this because we have the privilege of being in a house and having food. But even then, to realize the fact that it's time to really hone your instrument, because only then, when you serve your purpose as an artist, can you really bring something to people. So this time of having to
Hmm.
getting to read a lot, working on your craft and learning instruments or whatever that
Hmm.
it helps you to grow as an artist, that has something been,
It does.
it's been a boon, I'd say.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, even when I was at institute, So when I was studying at the institute, we used to have a proper curriculum. Like I would wake up at 6:30, 7 to 9 would be my physical workout, Tai Chi, Thang Ta, and Kalaripayat and Chow. You know, you go through such difficult art forms. And then you have regular classes that help you nurture your acting and your skills. So when I came, like once the institute was over, I was really looking for that routine, but I was not able to find it because I had just shifted to Bombay and I was just trying to figure out how to start and what to do. And it, you know, in the beginning, it's a lot of confusion and it's a lot of understanding and everything. So you somehow sideline your process, you know, with and actually you are because you have that process, you know, developed, which is exclusive to you. It's nobody else's. It's yours. So because of this quarantine, I've realized a lot of things, and everybody has. So one major thing was being true to your art and never leaving the process behind, because I've again got back to it. So yeah, like adding on to what Rohan just said, that's the kind of journey that I have had, quarantine journey.
Yeah. Especially actors, I feel, find it very tough to find a riyaz because it's very solid
Yes.
for a singer. You know what a singer's riyaz is. You know what a dancer's riyaz is. An actor's riyaz is a very abstract thing. It includes your own self firstly, your own emotions, and then being able to recreate. So it's a very dicey space and a very abstract space to explore. But that's
Sure.
the part of it, I guess.
So related to that, your role in this series, was that in any way related to your own personality?
Um, uh, like the core of the character was very much similar, but behavior wise, I would say no, because as I told you that she is a job consultant, like
Corporative. Yeah.
she is, yeah, she's working in a corporate setup, and they have a particular body language. They carry themselves in a way, and you know, if they have a back straight, maybe that's how I thought it would be, that they have a back straight and they use their professional words very nicely, and even in a regular talk, they have a particular words and a kind of language that they carry. So I have seen my brother working because he was in corporate setup for a very long time. I've seen some of my other friends, so I developed it a little from there. But the core of the character, like the way she speaks, the way she moves her eyes, the way she romances, and the way she fucks up, and the way she fails, and the way she creates a confusion. That all is my core, like Samriddhi
Okay.
Datta, our core. So yeah, it was an amalgamation of
Yeah.
both things. Am I able to
Because it was
explain?
exact.
Yeah.
Yeah. I understood.
Yeah.
Rijita
Okay.
also understood.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very interesting
Speaking
because
on
it
others'
was
behalf is
ekdam,
never good.
No,
no,
I
no, no,
agree.
no.
I
She
agree.
did.
Yeah, I
Yeah. She
nodded.
agreed.
Yeah.
That's why I said
Yeah.
it. Yeah. I'm sorry if I offended.
No. It's
Uh,
a
Yeah.
joke.
uh,
Joke went
yeah, because it was
wrong.
exactly the. हाँ, अब मैं तीसरी बार सेम सेंटेंस बोलने जा रहा हूँ मुझे
Yeah.
अजीब सा लग रहा है वो.
Continue. Okay.
I was saying because it was exactly the opposite for me because the core of the character मुझे थोड़ा सा पहले मैंने जज भी किया थोड़ा सा एक्चुअली उसको फर्स्ट दो तीन बार जब मैंने पढ़ा because his need to impress is so important that I was like अरे इतना क्या impress करना है यार जाके इतना मतलब but that's what eventually the core of the character is about. He comes with the intention to impress, and that's what he's trying to until that very interesting twist that you will see in the episode.
Oh.
That when you watch
Okay.
it, you will know. Until that happens,
Yes.
things shift. But before that, his need to impress is so different from who I am, or maybe not. I don't know. But I think I would like to believe that the need to impress was very to the core of that character. That was different, but otherwise, again, yeah, the behavior, I kind of took it from myself. The rhythm of the character, essentially, the rhythm
Hmm.
of how he would speak, or the rhythm of how he would react, were
Hmm.
very. I didn't make an entirely different character out of it. It was very
Okay,
similar, but
similar.
the intention, the want of the character that we say, the want was very different from who I am.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. That's nice. Those were all my questions, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and it was really fun talking to you guys.
Thank
Same
you
here.
so
Thank
Thank
much,
you
you.
so much.
Yashvi.
Right.
Thank you,
Chalo.
Rajita. Thanks,
Thank
Rohan.
you.
Thanks,
Thank
Samriddhi.
Thank
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you
you
very
so
much.
much.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Bye.